What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making chia pudding. Fun fact, ancient Aztecs and Mayans used these seeds in their diets. Loaded with antioxidants, minerals, fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Eat it as a healthy snack or a healthy breakfast on the go. Let's get started. You can use whatever milk you like. I like almond unsweetened vanilla milk by Silk. You can also make different flavors of chia pudding. Today we are making Hershey chocolate with raspberries and matcha tea with strawberries. To a glass or mason jar, add 2 tablespoons Hershey cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1 cup almond milk, and 1/4 cup chia seeds. Whisk for 15 to 30 seconds to combine ingredients. You will see later I tried to use a spoon to mix. It's better to whisk as it will turn out more smooth, silky, and your seeds will not clump together, so make sure you're whisking. For our second chia pudding, add 2 teaspoons matcha green tea powder, 1 cup almond milk. Whisk your green tea and milk together till combined. Add a 1/2 tablespoon maple syrup and 1/4 cup chia seeds. I like to leave mine overnight in the fridge and then enjoy them for breakfast or for a snack later. I also garnish with berries. If you want yours a little sweeter, you can always add more sweetener of your choice or more maple syrup. Enjoy!